Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak, fully load your Fire Stick, okay, for sports, movies, TV show, and a lot of content. The reason I'm doing these videos is I have updated my store fully, so now all the new updates are all working. I go through every week or every month, make sure it works. You're not going to waste your time watching this video, and at the end, nothing works. It's all guaranteed to work when you watch my videos. Okay, make sure you sign into your Fire Stick, connect it to the internet. You'll get all these apps, all these ads for the Fire Stick. Once you do that, follow my steps along and I'll guide you through the whole process. Okay, go to the gear icon. It's the first thing you want to do off the bat. And you want to go to My Device or My Fire TV. This works on all devices. Click into My Fire TV. You'll see a couple of things. You'll see About and Developer Options. But you might not see Developer Options, which is okay. We're looking under My Fire TV to go into About. Go into About, you'll see some information about your Fire Stick. Check for updates, make sure you install any updates outstanding, and then you're going to click on your device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, it says no need, you're already a developer. Now I have enabled developer options, okay? This is the first thing we got to do is enable developer options, okay? So when we go back, we see developer options is there, okay? The first thing we got to do, let's hit the home button. And when you're done that, the other thing we got to do now is go to find here, go to search, and we can use the Alexa remote or we can type it in and search for a tool called Downloader. Downloader. Downloader will come up. It'll look like this. Click on the Downloader application and click on the download button. Downloader is going to get an installation file. It's going to install it onto your Fire Stick automatically, and it's going to notify you that's ready to launch. But don't launch it, don't start it yet. Don't press the open button, okay? Once it's done, then now we got to do 2 things before we get the Unlinked store. Okay, let's press the home button once we install Downloader. Now, let's go back into the gear icon here, okay? Followed by My Fire TV. Let's click into there. Now, remember we enabled developer options. Click into developer options. Now go to install unknown apps and make sure the downloader is on. Okay, turn it on just like that. Once you're done that, we're going to hit the home button. Okay, now we're going to be back in our menu here. Now, another thing we have to do before we get the unlinked applications, we're going to go to find and search again for another app. And we're going to type in IP Vanish. Okay, IP Vanish, just like that. V-A-I-S-H. Okay. Just like that. IP Vanish. IP Vanish. Type it in just like that. Search. And it's going to come up with IP Vanish VPN. 94,000 reviews, 4 out of 5 stars. Click on this green-white logo. And then click by proceeding download. What's going to happen? It's going to download and install the IP Vanish VPN. Okay, we need this to get the Unlinked application. A lot of internet service providers are blocking the installation of Unlinked and blocking access to the store. With this VPN, you're going to get access to the store, all the updates, and you're going to get geo-block content and access to better links and better content, okay? So install this, log in with your own username and password, and I'll explain everything in a minute. You can pause the video if you wish to get this set up. I partner with IP Vanish to give you guys the best deal, okay? So let's open it up. You'll see this here when we open it up. You'll see a login with an email and password. You can scan the barcode here or go to this bit.ly link right here. Also a link in the pinned comment or description. Go to that landing page, and from that landing page, choose your package. It's a cup of coffee a month. That's how much it costs. Use it on unlimited Fire Sticks, unlimited devices in your house, even your phone, cell phone. You can have one account in an entire household for many, many devices. I partner with them to give you guys the best deal through these links here and barcode here. Whatever is easier, pause the video, go to that site, set up your account, log in, and I'll show you, proceed forward, how we're going to get unlinked once our VPN is on, okay? So I'm going to log into my own account right now, but you can log into your own once you go to the page here from these links. Just when you sign up, you'll put your email, then check your inbox. You have to verify your account. It'll be activated, and then you can log in. So do those things. barcode with your phone. You can scan it, get that discount. You can also go to the bit.ly link to get that discount. Also, in the pinned comment description, there is a link. Through my link, you're going to get about 60 to 70% off unlimited devices, okay? So pause the video, get that done, and then follow me along after you complete those steps, okay? Okay, once you log into the VPN, you'll see a screen like this. The first thing you want to do is go to the gear icon and make sure Connect on Android Startup is flicked on. Turn that on, press the back button, go here into this location, click on that, and from here go to Countries, scroll all the way to United States, click on United States, say Favorite United States, click on United States again, and say Connect to United States. Now, the screen is going to pop up. You're going to press the OK on the screen. And now it's going to connect to a United States server, and we can proceed to getting the Unlinked application. So that's all available here. Barcode link here. That's going to give you all the updates in the Unlinked store, and it's going to allow you to get the Unlinked application to get third-party applications, okay? This is the best discount, a cup of coffee a month, much worth it to be protected, safe, and get all the updates, okay? Once you've done that, you'll see you're connected somewhere here in the United States, okay? Now, after you do that, you can press the home button. We'll proceed to the next step. Now, from here, you're going to click My Apps and Games, this little button here. Once you do that, proceed by going to our downloader application here. We're going to open it up for the first time. You're going to be presented by a screen like this. Press the OK button. Click up into here and simply put in the following link. Unlinked .link. That's all you're going to put in. Let's put that in. Unlinked.link. And once you put that in, we're going to press the go button, okay? What's going to happen is going to say connecting, and it's going to connect to the Unlinked website. You can scroll left and right, up and down, scroll down until you see download APK Android. This little button here. Click on it with the D-pad. It's going to pop up, and it's going to ask us to install the Unlinked application after downloading. So on this screen, you're going to press the install button, but don't press open yet. Press simply the done button because we have to do another step. Press the done button and press the delete button here, followed by pressing the delete again. That's going to delete the installation file. Unlinked is ready to install, okay, and installed already. Now, let's recap what we have done. My Apps and Games. And you'll notice that we have Downloader, we have IPVanish running to a US server, and we have our Unlinked application. Now, let's press the home button. Let's not open it up yet because we won't be able to install any apps. So go to the gear icon, go to My Fire TV, back to developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure Unlinked is on. Very important to allow permissions all the time. Every time you install any movie apps, TV show apps, live sports, make sure you give these apps permissions to write to your Fire Stick and to access your Fire Stick in the developer options. Fire Stick is cracking down and locking things up, but you can enable those permissions once you install the apps from my Unlinked store, okay? Press the home button, and now go to your Apps and Games. And with our VPN running, we can now open safely Unlinked. Let's open up the Unlinked application. Now, from here, you're going to say New Library, and you're going to get a blinking thing like this. Simply put in the code FIRESTICK, all lowercase. So Fire Stick lowercase. Once you put in FIRESTICK lowercase, press the next button, and don't press enter yet to enter my store. Okay, don't press enter on this screen when this pops up. Read this. This is going to give you the best apps, the best sections, and the best applications. Take out your phone actually and take a picture of this. It's going to help you which apps have been updated for this month and which are working the best. I have this pop-up screen that explains all that detail. Make sure you take a picture, and once you're done taking a picture, it's blurred out on my screen, but you'll see it when you're doing it on your Fire Stick. Then press the enter button to enter my store. This explains everything every month, okay? So I'm going to press enter now to enter the store. Okay, for presentation purposes and the limitations of what can be discussed on YouTube, we're going to be installing the Task Kill Firestick tool just for presentation purposes. But any other applications, if you scroll up and down, you'll find all the sections for all the other applications. I added 2 sections. This is why I'm doing this video, the New Tech Top Apps and New Tech Top Sports Live TV section at the end of this store. So you have to just scroll down and you'll be able to access that. Choose your applications from those sections. They're fully updated. They've been tested thoroughly to make sure everything in that section works. You're going to get the full experience in those sections. You're going to be able to download any of those applications. Once you find your application, just for presentation purposes, it's the same method. You're going to click on it just like that. You're going to press the download button. It's going to download the application. And once it downloads, you're going to press the install app. It's going to come up with this screen. You're going to press the install each application that you install. It's going to go back to the store. You're going to get a notification that this is installed successfully. And now it's on your Fire Stick. Now you can scroll up and down, left to right to get all the applications. I have over 50 different tools, and third-party applications are going to be great for movies, TV shows, pay-per-views, and all that. Okay, so let's press the home button. And we can load as many as we want, and your apps and games, and you can access my store. At any time, you can go back in and get more applications, okay? And here's the installed application, okay? So a little tip, if the application doesn't show up in my apps and games here, a little tip here, you can go to the gear icon, okay? Followed by applications, manage installed applications, and from here, you could select it and launch it from here as well, okay? If it doesn't show up in the list. Okay, now you can load many as you want. So we've fully loaded our Fire Stick, and you can see now that I'll show you that my VPN was running. So if you want the updates, you want the access, make sure you're connected to the VPN. We've been connected for 6 minutes. If you haven't got it yet, the barcode is here for the discount. You can scan it with your phone, set up your account. Also, go to this bit.ly link. You can get your account that way as well. Also in the pinned comment description. It's going to keep you safe, protected, and through my channel, you get the best deal. It's a cup of coffee a month. It's not very expensive. Unlimited devices, and you can buy a yearly package and be covered for a year. It's a very, very minimal cost compared to, like, let's say, Starbucks or Netflix or any other cable services or anything like that. This is going to get you going, okay? So make sure you get that and take care of that first. And be fully protected, fully anonymous, and stream at peace of mind, okay? So that's available. So now that concludes our fully loaded Fire Stick. I've updated my store. I made sure everything works. I don't ask for donations. I don't ask for money. A lot of people are asking me, this man deserves money, send them money. I don't want your money. All I want is hit the like button and drop a comment below. Some people have been stealing my files, linking to my files, not giving me any credit, using my store, things like that, even making videos about my store, not giving me credit, making it seem like it's their own. Therefore, I might put a pin lock in my store. So the people that are going to get the pin lock are the people that comment on this video. You can tell me where you're from, what city and town you're from, what's your favorite food, what's your favorite sports team, what's not working, what's working in the store, what would you like to see, any comment or just a simple hi. This way, if I do put a pin code or lock my store, I'll reply in the comments to those people that commented with the new pin lock or any changes. So very important, comment on this video below, hit like, and share the video if possible on your social media networks. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being here. This has been thoroughly tested. Those sections in the Unlinked store are fully updated. I'm going to update them every week, every 2-3 weeks. I want you guys to get the best experience from my store, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please also follow my Facebook, social media. It's all in the description below. If you go inside the description below, I would highly appreciate it. Not looking for money, not looking for donations. Comment, share, subscribe, and like the video like I've asked. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.